Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And we are going to analyze the market for the next week. That means for the 5th August to 9 August. That means total 5 trading days. And before we start the analyzing, and as you can see there is a lot of data we have to talk about that. And before that, I want to brief shortly about the USD news. Okay, as you can see there, I just write here XAUUSD news, and here is USD news. I just marked here. So gold basically depend on USD news data, so we have to keep our concern on USD news. Okay, so for the basic fundamental analysis, for the positive news, if news data come with positive data like 0.5%, that means green 0.5%, green 245k, indicates sell for XAUUSD. That means if USD data come positive, we will sell gold. If USD data come negative, we will buy gold. Okay, negative like red 0.5%, 245k, that means red. Okay, then we will buy gold. That means if data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data we will sell gold, why for negative data we will buy gold? Okay, as you know that gold value is always constant. Okay, constant, and USD value like currency like USD, JPY, GBP is always variable. Variable means it can be changed. Okay, so if data got positive data, so if USD got stronger, that means weaker for gold. If USD got weaker, that means strong for gold. Okay, this is the basic thing. Okay, I already uploaded a lot of video about that thing, so you may see that, or if you don't see that, you can see that in our YouTube channel playlist. Okay, so let's get back into our market movement, or let's see our market news. Okay, I already selected here major and minor newses, and I mostly skip it non-impactful USD news, and there is all of, as you can see, the red and orange color data over here, that means impact. So we just want to analyze that thing. And in Monday we have two time news, and one of them major and one of them small major, that means minor. Okay, so if this data ISM service PMI come with positive data, that means green data, we will sell gold. If come with negative data, we will buy gold. Okay, and same thing for all of the USD news. That means we don't have any Thursday any USD news. We have Wednesday one USD news 10-year bond action. So if data come with positive data, we will sell gold, and if with negative, we will buy gold. Okay, and in Thursday we have unemployment claim. That means huge impactful news, or this is major news. So if data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data negative, we will buy gold. Okay, and finally the Friday we don't have any positive news or negative news for USD, so we will see the market movement, and we will say take the buy and sell with technical analysis. So one more thing about concentration, or one more thing you need to know, due the US parliament election, that means USA parliament election. So I just noticed something or few thing from last 2 or 3 weeks. So if data come with positive data, gold just fell some few, and after news impact gone, that means after around 10 to 50 minutes, it just move huge. That means news time market moves suppose 80 pips, but after the news market moves 200 pips opposite. So you have to concern about this thing. Okay, when your entry gone 40 to 50 pips profit, okay, profit, you have to move your SL entry, or you can take your profit. Okay, this one thing you have to keep your mind on till then US election come. Due the US election, market is very unstable currently, so you have to keep your concern on US election. And as you know that Hamas president, or Hamas head of Hamas, was killed by someone or Israel. So this also make an impact on the market. So you have to consider all of things, then you have to take entry. Okay, and we are going to send daily technical and fundamental analysis on our Telegram channel. So you can join our Telegram free channel if you especially seeing this video on YouTube. Channel link on description below. So if you have any question or query, you can ask our admin on Telegram, or you can comment on YouTube. So that's for today. Happy trading. Have a nice day.